In this video, we will cover upgrading EKS from version 1.28 to version 1.29. First, we will check all the deprecations that are affecting our application in version 1.29. Then we will upgrade the cluster version to 1.29. After that, we will upgrade node version to 1.29. And finally, we will update the add-ons which are available to the new default version. There are few considerations before doing the upgrade. First, versions of Kubernetes in the cluster and in the node should be same. That is 1.28, because we will only able to update one version at a time. So both of them have to be 1.28. The second thing, there are issues with pod disruption budget that may cause issues in the cluster upgrade. So either disable that, or we can do a force update to the nodes where pod disruption budget is applied. If the EKS version originally was deployed older than 1.25, then we need to ensure security policies are in place before doing the upgrade. And if the original version was older than 1.18, then we need to remove the upstream line mentioned in the config map for core DNS. Now let's go to the AWS console. We are going to do this entire process manually from the console. Right now I have a Kubernetes version as 1.28 and it is supported till November 26, 2024. Even my node group is at the same version, that is 1.28. And if I go to upgrade insights, I'll see that there is a deprecation warning for version 1.29. It also gives me a recommendation. That recommendation tells me the API client needs to be updated to be applicable for the newer version. And in the deprecation details, we see flow schemas and priority level configurations are getting deprecated. So these will be removed from version 1.29, but as I'm not using it, so upgrade insights tell me it's safe to proceed. I just upgraded the version and selected 1.29 then and started the upgrade. So it will take some time to upgrade, and in some time my cluster version would be updated, but still the node group version is old. So if I click on the node group version, I'll see there is an update now button available. If you're using custom AMIs, this option will not be there. In case we are using custom AMIs, create a new AMI version which supports version 1.29, then create a new launch template version with that AMI ID, and finally update the nodes with the new launch template which was just created. If I update this, there are two options available. One is rolling update, another is forced update. In case we are using pod disruption budgets, we can select the forced update because this will ensure the update takes place without any issues. If you are not using pod disruption budgets, then go with the rolling update. So updating a node group will take some time. So if you go to update config, it will show what is the minimum number of unhealthy nodes possible. And in the update history, all operations have been triggered. So what this does, it creates new nodes with the latest version that we want. And once those nodes are ready and serving our application, the older nodes are removed. So as you can see, there are two nodes which are added. They are not ready as of now. But if you check the kubelet version, that is 1.29. Earlier, it would have been 1.28. So they are coming with the latest AMI. It will take some time for these nodes to get ready and for the older ones to terminate. Once these nodes are removed, even the node group below will show that the AMI release version is now 1.29. So if I open this node group and check the Kubernetes version, I can see it is updated to 1.29. The update history also shows that there are no errors and the update was successful. Now we need to update the add-ons. Every add-on will have an updated default version. If I go to VPC CNI, I'll see that 1.16 is the new default. And let me just select that and save the changes. This update will take some time. In the meantime, what I can do, I can select all the other add-ons and update them with the latest new default version. For EKS Pod Identity Agent, I don't see any update version option available. But for core DNS, there is. So let me just update that. And once all of these add-ons are updated, we have successfully upgraded our cluster to the latest version that we required, which is 1.29. Version 1.29 is supported till March 23, 2025. In case you're doing this for production, please ensure your changes work in a lower environment and only then move to a production upgrade. Also, if you are using other add-ons like AWS Load Balancer controller or any other controller, then please check the respective documentation for supporting Kubernetes version 1.29